Greetings to Tron classmates. My name is Giovanni Peña Herrera. I'm a student in the bachelor degree in English as a foreign language program in the course Didactics of Social Science. This is the final task, the post task in the video presentation. This is the script of the lesson plan. The topic that I used for the present task is to identify the events that happened during the time of the independence. The objective of this task of this lesson plan is to motivate the civic competences to the students through the knowledge of the facts during the time of independence and generate culture of patriotism in the students through the Colombian history. I choose this topic because it's important for the students of history to improve in them the knowledge about the historic events, and that it's a good example the the events, the battles, and why we could get the independence. The introduction. After saying what they know about the importance of being an independent, I will present them a couple of videos. But these videos are going to present them after the warming up. In the warming up, I will make with the students some tongue twister in order they are going to present an some exposition. It's important for them to know the pronunciation of the words um, in order to lose the fear to talk in front of the students, the other students. So, for example, the tongue twisters could be, I wish you were a fish in my dish, be a fish in my dish, please. I scream, you scream, they scream. We all scream for an ice cream. Can as a can or can a can. Chester Cheetah chews a chunk of cheap cheddar cheese. One on was a red horse. Okay, so after present them these tongue twisters, I will show them the videos in YouTube about the the events of the history of the independence in Colombia. For the first one is the Llorentes base, what occurred in that day, that 20th of July in 810. And the second one present the different battles that motivate that were called the result in the independence in Colombia, and the final battle, Boyacá Bridge, Battle of Puente Boyacá and Pantano de Vargas, where our heroes could defeat the Spanish army. After showing these videos, I'm going to divide the groups in the class in groups where they can solve or where they are going to make draws and expositions in groups of five that we are going to see here. After that, I will ask the students where will correct of the unclear events that they exposed in order to give them a evaluation, no, a grade. The conclusions of this task through a previous exercise, students can perceive the different events to occurred in the Independence Days. These kind of activities allow the students to reinforce the respect for national symbols and be multipliers of the events of the independence. And finally, it's important to make them know that these historical events are important for our history, Colombian history, because they build us as citizens, a good responsibles for our society in order to project us in the future. Teacher, the classmates, thank you very much. I appreciate your comments for this video. Bye bye.